Hey there, students! Ever feel like you're drowning in deadlines, missing assignments, and never finding your study materials? Well, I've got something that'll change your life. AcadEase. Managing your academics can be overwhelming, right? You've got assignments piling up, deadlines looming, and important study materials getting lost in the chaos. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? Enter AcadEase, your AI-powered academic assistant. Imagine a platform where all your study materials, events, and personalized learning paths are organized and easily accessible. AcadEase helps students and teachers stay organized, access study materials instantly, and track academic events effortlessly. One platform, complete academic management, smart, organized, efficient. Let's dive into how it works. AcadEase makes managing study materials a breeze. Teachers can upload notes, past papers, and recorded lectures in various formats. Students, you can instantly access everything you need whenever you need it. No more lost files. It's all organized by subjects, semesters, and relevance. Now let's talk about deadlines and events. AcadEase has a calendar interface where events are color-coded by type. Exams, assignments, workshops, you name it. You'll get automatic reminders for upcoming deadlines and a smart study plan for the week. Imagine getting a notification that says, "Reminder math assignment due tomorrow. You'll never miss a deadline again." Plan, prepare, succeed. What if your learning could be personalized just for you? AcadEase's AI analyzes your progress and suggests a custom learning pathway. It's like having a personal tutor. You get AI-powered recommendations, gamified quizzes, and progress tracking, all tailored to help you master concepts effectively. Smarter learning, personalized for you. And guess what? AcadEase is accessible from anywhere at any time. Sync across all your devices and ensure your academic progress is always within reach. Secure login with two-step authentication guarantees your privacy. Anytime, anywhere. AcadEase has you covered. Teachers, we haven't forgotten about you. AcadEase provides powerful tools to manage classes, track student performance, and give targeted feedback effortlessly. Upload an exam schedule and watch it auto-populate student dashboards. Get data-driven insights for better learning outcomes. Teaching simplified with AI. So why choose AcadEase? It brings everything together: study materials, deadlines, event tracking, and smart learning recommendations, all in one platform. Picture this: a student using AcadEase stress-free while another struggles with multiple tabs open. A smarter way to study, designed for students, built for success. Ready to transform your learning experience? Get started with AcadEase today. Join thousands of students and educators already using AcadEase. Visit our website and sign up now. Thanks for watching. Remember, with AcadEase, studying has never been easier.